Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with my G, my bro, my fam, the Jenna, Prohgres, with one called Loop. Prohgres Loop. This dropped about 3 days ago. Just I get the chance to sit down now and listen to this. So, sorry, my bro, a bit late, but today I see him well. Better late than never, right? Alright. So, let's get into this one on here with the GSL. But before we do this, sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So, this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_worst_gamer, reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something, you understand? So let's get back to the video. Alright, so now we get that out of the way. Let's jump into the video. Let's go!
Prohgres.
Abroad, big up.
Yeah, hear me?
Loop. Shot creative. One bomb buckler real artist. No other. Let's go.
Can't forget the girl who make me heart break. Put me trust in a friend and me them for a sake.
We as G out here, we never ever forget the first girl we broke with art. In our pieces. Glasses.
Can't forget the girl who make me heart break.
No.
Me trust in a friend and me them for a sake.
Sure.
Feel on a firm like a long but as the little money start make on start shake.
Facts. I just start elevate. Problem there. But you see, as you want them up on the same level, that are in a fit them mind, you and them up on the same level, everything good. But in a fit them mind, once again, as soon as you start elevate yourself because you will make use of your 24 hours, then pussy there have a problem with you. Okay, man.
Feel on a firm like a long but as the little money start make on start shake.
Shake it!
You know see loyalty for sale. You know see she only fuck me because of fame. But
if me never have the name, if I wasn't Prohgres, if I wasn't the person who should sit on the media, if I wasn't this artist, she wouldn't want no fuck from me. Cocky that stay on my pants and jump off. That's the way the G said. Not me.
You know see loyalty for sale. You know see she only fuck me because of fame. But you think me stay wild like a wildebeest, a lone snake in the grass and them can't tame.
Wild like a wildebeest, a lone snake in the grass and them can't tame. Before that, him say, you know, say loyalty is for sale. Loyalty is for sale. Cause them youth love bogot. Them love sweets. Them love likes. Them we sell it out for nothing.
But you think me stay wild like a wildebeest, a lone snake in the grass and them can't tame.
Yeah.
I wish all the bad memories could remove. Wish me coulda get over the scars and the bruise. Hope you don't believe in a karma for true. Cause anyway me sit here and miss that shoe.
We wish all of the bad memories, everything could have just gone, could have just go, but get what? It now go. So the only thing what you have to do, as a G will go through that, the only thing what you have to do, I just make you stronger. Learn from it. You see me? Don't make the same mistake twice. You see me? Yeah. Just make it stronger, bro. Make you stronger. You see me? Yeah.
Hope you don't believe in a karma for true. Cause anyway me sit here and miss that shoe.
Em say Karma is a bitch. And when Karma come around for fuck you, she not use no condom. So I hope you believe in a Karma. Cause anyway me see the enemy me a shoot. Come. Pop.
Hope you don't believe in a karma for true. Cause anyway me sit here and miss that shoe.
Sure.
I know time to hurt me. I know me stuck in all my feelings, stuck in all my ways, yeah me stuck in time. Stuck in time.
Stuck in time, man.
Stuck in time. Stuck in time. I fall meds are real, below my weed, man, I no feeling numb for real, them love me really done reveals that I'm
Clap. You're the second Prohgres, man. You're the boss, dog. Watch out. Yeah.
Stuck in time. I feel like misery below my weed, man. I'm not feeling numb for real.
I feel like meds. Me love me weed. Yo.
I feel like misery below my weed, man.
I feel like meds are real. Me love me weed.
I'm not feeling numb for real. Them love me real. It done reveals the time we live. Still hurt we did. My scars them deep. Can't forgive.
Yo, that youth are talented. You fuck like dancehall asleep. Dancehall asleep, bro. Dancehall like dog. Only need to wake up, dog. Big man thing. And because I'm a bridging, make me say this. But if you just listen and pre the body of work where the man they constantly are put out, bro. The consistency is real. The creativity where Prohgres have is definitely real, bro. Talent. And the man now use no gimmicks. I'm say this is my last reaction because him not use no gimmicks and no fuck up on the media. Wanna look over him and look on some little dickhead. Yeah, that's what I do. Look over him and look on some little idiot, some little fool. We're not going with nothing but controversy in the music. Music is about talent, not fucking gimmicks.
Stuck in time. Stuck in time. I feel like misery below my weed, man. I'm not feeling numb for real. Them love me real. It done reveals the time we live. Still hurt we did. My scars them deep. Can't forgive. Me learn my lesson. Can't forget. Say they my friend, but time will tell. I won't pretend.
Yo, you're the master chat, bro.
Done reveals the time we live. Still hurt we did. My scars them deep. Can't forgive. Me learn my lesson. Can't forget. Say they my friend, but time will tell. I won't pretend. The time will take. I search for love, but I'ma find myself.
The time when me take a try search for love, better me try find myself. Try put in the work. When me I put in, I try find something out there. Try find it within me. Try find myself. To understand and love myself and appreciate myself first before me can let anybody else in. Cause the whole I wanna corrupt, I wanna bomb clock. Moving back. Rude.
Won't pretend. The time will take. I search for love, but I'ma find myself.
You're not sorry so you do it, you're only sorry so I find out. Yeah. Because when you catch certain fool in the act do certain things. They're not sorry so them them do it, you know, them just sorry so them get catch. Yeah. You see this? You see this room, yeah? This is my comfort zone. This is my zone. If you notice me, always in here, so. Whether I'm over there, so stream, I'm there right here, so stream. You understand? I'm there, so make video phone now. Me always in my zone. Because human being, you can't trust them. Take your kindness for weakness. Enough time to pussy them do me that. Take my kindness for weakness. You understand? Yeah. Take my kindness for weakness, bro. Give them my heart and them take it for granted.
Give them my heart and them take it for granted. I know me stuck in a loop. Yeah, I'm over. Stuck in time. Yeah.
Stuck in a loop. Yeah.
This with tears, voice it with pain.
Definitely. Man say, write this with tears. Voice it with pain. That's how I pour out all I'm emotion to we as the fans. That's why we can relate. That's why we can relate, because these emotions are true.
Write this with tears, voice it with pain. My mind go insane if I put my trust in a people again. Again.
Yeah.
Again.
Prohgres. Big up. Yo, that's my G right there. Prohgres, big up yourself, bro. Yo, this thing, bro, this track, yeah, is a masterpiece, dog. Like, there's so much going on. There's so much going on. And if you can follow there so and put your all in your craft, bro. You're in your comfort zone and thing. And, bro, you do it, bro. You do it, bro. But what? Guys in the comment section, what would you rather be? Underrated or overrated? Because I know which part I would rather be. I would rather be underrated. So I don't know something bad, but the gatekeeper them are who fi give me my ratings, nah give me. Rather than being hyped up and then fall. You understand? So the boss say, I'm zone. The boss say in the right place. You see me? It's just a matter of time before him kick out every fucking door. Kick you out! Yeah. So big up my bro Prohgres. You see me? A broad records, big up on yourself. Great production, great video. Big up the video person behind the one. One a bad. Prohgres, this time I'm gonna leave the one that said me G. If you enjoy the one, guys, and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.